Old Delhi's iconic Chandni Chowk is a key shopping destination all year round, but the market located just across the road from Red Fort is busier than a beehive during Diwali and other key festivals. Buyers, retail or wholesale throng its narrow lanes and by lanes to buy a variety of goods, from exotic to exquisite. One of the biggest pulls of Chandni Chowk is the vast garment market here that can adorn anyone for every occasion. From a wedding dress to a festive wear, from smart casuals to just casuals. Buyers come from across the nation to this market, which also provides a variety of accessories to go with every dress. However, this year, the shopkeepers complain their sales are dramatically down due to the fear of COVID-19 and the economic crisis caused by it.
इस साल कम से कम 90% गिरावट काम में आई है, होलसेल का खासकर, क्योंकि सारा आपका ट्रांसपोर्ट का बंद रखा है, बस भी नहीं चल रही है आपकी, कुछ भी नहीं चल रहा है। सिर्फ यहाँ लोकल का जो बिजनेसमैन है वही सिर्फ माल लेने आ रहा है, कोई भी नहीं आ रहा अदरवाइज। दिल्ली का ही दिल्ली, क्योंकि सारे आपके रोडवेज सारे बंद हैं, पब्लिक आती है सिर्फ दिल्ली की, हरियाणा दिल्ली, इसके अलावा यहाँ पे कोई नहीं आ रहा आपका। कम से कम 90% का असर है इस साल दिवाली पर। जिस तरह की मार्केटिंग आप देख रहे हो ना, बिल्कुल स्लो एकदम मार्केटिंग है, कोई इसका है ही नहीं आपका।
अगस्त सितंबर में जो काम था उससे तो काफ़ी इम्प्रूवमेंट है पहले से तो, लेकिन वो वाली बात नहीं है जो होनी चाहिए इस टाइम। एक तो कुछ पार्किंग प्रॉब्लम है, कुछ मेट्रो के अंदर लिमिटेड लोग ही आने हैं, लिमिटेड ही जा सकते हैं, वो रोल चोल नहीं है जो होनी चाहिए एक टाइम के अंदर, जो इस टाइम में होती थी। एक के ऊपर एक आदमी होता था, वो तो बात ही खत्म हो गई यहाँ तो।
पराठे वाली गली में आए हो तो पराठे खा के जरूर जाइए आप लोग। आइए बोले भाई, आ जाओ।
No visitor to Chandni Chowk should miss out on Delhi's famous Parathe Wali Gali that has attracted foodies from across the world to sample its exotic variety of parathas or flat unleavened bread. Pandit Baburam Parathewala is one of the oldest eateries here that has fed Bollywood A-listers like Ranbir Kapoor or Prime Ministers like Lal Bahadur Shastri. After shopping all day long, visitors normally head to this lane to get their fill. But this year, even Diwali has not led to the crowds that can be seen on a normal day.
अप एंड डाउन तो आते रहते हैं लाइफ के, लिविंग अप एंड डाउन, और जो बिजनेस जो हमारा चल ही रहा है, जो पहले चल रहा था उसका 30% आते हैं, 30%।
Diwali is a festival of lights, and buying lights for the home or workplace is an integral part of the shopping list during Diwali. Shopkeepers here say that this year, due to tensions with China, some buyers are avoiding the strings of LED lights mainly imported from China that had become the mainstay of Diwali. That ought to have propelled sales of lights made in India, but the coronavirus pandemic has led to a dramatic fall in sales even for them.
Yeah, you can say it's the worst year till now we have faced in our business industry. 50% work is there if we compare it to 2019 Diwali. I mean, it's 50% since still down.
About 10 km from Chandni Chowk is Lajpat Nagar, another famous market in New Delhi. Though more recent and focused mainly on retail sales, Lajpat Nagar also offers a comprehensive shopping experience. From imported garments and shoes to gift items for their family and friends, shoppers throng Lajpat Nagar to buy practically anything they need. The market also has a fair number of shops selling sweets and dry fruits, which have always been an integral part of Diwali and other Indian festivals. But as with other aspects of Diwali shopping, sales of dry fruits have dried up this year.
ये हमारा फेस्टिवल टाइम होता है। हम इसमें काफ़ी होप्स करते हैं कि हमारी मतलब 5-5, 6-6, 10-10 लाख की हमारी पर डे की सेल होती है। तो आप देख रहे हैं लोग आ ही नहीं रहे हैं, क्योंकि एक तो लोग घबरा भी रहे हैं बिकॉज ऑफ कोरोना कोविड के कारण, और एक लोगों के पास पैसा नहीं है जेब में। जब उनके पास पैसा नहीं होगा तो वो कैसे सेलिब्रेट करेंगे और कैसे चीज़ें खरीदेंगे।
ऐसी आ रही है 400-500, 600 की ऐसी आ रही है। पीछे ज़्यादा काम अच्छा होता था, पहले ज़्यादा हो जाता तो 2-3 हज़ार रुपये का काम हो जाता था, अब नहीं हो रहा।
After reticence and caution for several months once the lockdown was eased, the shoppers have begun to throng markets around the country, especially with Diwali barely a few days away. Shoppers say this year they are more cautious about their shopping, warding off the infection as well as keeping a watch on their budgets.
Experience this year for Diwali is different from last few years because we are wearing masks, but still the crowd is very much, so wearing a mask and shopping is quite different and difficult also. It gets tiring, but otherwise I see a lot of people in the market still this year, so not any changes that ways, but yeah, different experience wearing a mask and shopping.
But yeah, at the back of the mind we have that fear that, you know, we are going out shopping, we are trying to change our minds that festival will kind of bring a happy vibe since salaries are being cut down, and so that's a kind of a backlash.
People are also charging high this year compared to last year, you know. Everyone is charging a bit higher price.